Now I will use this question as an example to show you how we differentiate a product of two factors using product rule. So as you can see, this function has two factors, x squared minus 6 times x cubed plus 4x squared. So f squared minus 6 is f, x cubed plus 4x squared is g. So f equals x squared minus 6. Then we differentiate x squared, I get 2x. I differentiate 6, I get 0. Don't forget the derivative of any constant is equal to 0. And then I write down g equals x cubed plus 4x squared. So the derivative of g is 3x squared plus 8x. So here we use the power rule that the 3 go to the front and 3 minus 1. 2 go to the front, become 4 times 2 is 8, and then 2 minus 1, so x to the power of 1, that's why just 8x. So we write down f, we write down f prime, we write down g, we write down g prime. And now, we write down the dy dx equals f prime g plus fg prime, and that is product rule. So after that, we start to put in f prime. So f prime is 2x. So here we write down f prime is 2x. G, that is x cubed plus 4x squared. And then f, according to what we wrote down, is x squared minus 6, and g prime 3x squared plus 8x. So after that, we expand them. As we know, they are all polynomials, and we can combine the like terms. So we have 2x to 4 plus 8x cubed. Okay, the product of these two, and then we have x squared times 3x squared. We have 3x to the power 4, and then we have minus 6 times 3x squared. We get minus 18x squared. Then we have 8 squared x squared times 8x. We have 8x cubed. Minus 6 times 8x. We have minus 48x. And then you can see these two terms can be combined, so become 5x to the power 4. And these two terms can be combined, 16x to the power 3. And we have minus 18x squared minus 48x. Now here we have the simplified derivative of y, which is 5x to 4 plus 16x cubed minus 18x squared minus 48x. So firstly, we look at the structure of the function, and if we are sure it is the product of two factors, then we apply the product rule. So we write down the first factor, the derivative of the first factor. We write down the second factor, we write down the derivative of the second factor, and then we put them into the product rule. And then, if possible, we expand and we simplify. And here's how we do it.